What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Palantir stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And I have to say that the recent news are quite bullish, and that's why it has a lot of upside potential that is much stronger than entire market. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we reached the point where we might have a trend reversal because this asset during this movement to the upside had a diminishing volume, and this means it was the sign that it probably lose its momentum, and it happened. As you can see, we had this movement to the downside, bounce from the range that I marked previously. And I've told you that this is quite good range of support because we have several touches of this range right here on previous price action, and we had first bounce to the upside, again hit this range of resistance that is pretty much double top pattern, and right now we are again at the range of support. So, quite interesting price action, and I have to say that from the technical standpoint we have very good chances to hit high targets, but we have some interesting conditions. And let's continue with the fundamental news. Let me show you that right now the market, basically on Friday, the market was deeply in red. S&P 500 lost a lot of its value. It lost about 2.8%. Dow Jones lost about 2.11%. Nasdaq lost about 3.8%. And Russell 2000 lost about 2.87%. And despite of this harsh movement to the downside, Palantir lost during its last session, let me show you, not more than just 4%. And definitely for this type of company that is basically burning its money right now, it is not profitable yet. This movement to the downside is very predictable, and I have to say that it is a very strong position from the fundamental standpoint. So let me show you why we have just a small decrease in its price. And first of all, let me show you that right after I made my previous video, we had a new article that was published on October the 6th. It is not article, it is a press release. And we are an official press release section of Palantir, and it says Palantir selected by Army Material Command to support prognostic and predictive maintenance requirements. And let me quote you this. US Army Material Command, AMC, quite interesting coincidence with AMC company, selected Palantir to support its prognostic and predictive maintenance and supply chain optimization efforts. AMC will utilize Palantir software to support logistics in contested environments, improve equipment reliability, and advance supply chain optimization. The award totals $85.1 million over 5 years. And let me quote you this. We are excited to support the AMC's predictive maintenance and supply chain optimization efforts, said Akash Jain, president of Palantir USG. Building upon our years of experience supporting the Army, we look forward to serving the logistics community and mission partners as they address such an essential aspect when operating in contested environments. And definitely it is another contract with the US Army, and definitely this shows the potential of this company to basically acquire all the contracts from US Army, potentially acquire all the contracts. And this means the potential, fundamental potential for Palantir only with the US Army contracts are extremely high. So, and let me show you another article. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on October the 7th, and it's titled Palantir, strong end to Q3. Carp is set to win points on the PR front. And the summary is following. Palantir ended Q3 gaining partnership with ExxonMobil in addition to some military contracts. Palantir is trading at a more attractive price to free cash flow multiple than Snowflake, Shopify, Twilio, Cloudflare, and MongoDB. Palantir was named #1 in AI market share and revenue, beating out Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and IBM. And let me show you their recent contracts. right here, you can find that they made a contract with ExxonMobil. And definitely this shows the potential of partnership Palantir with this industry, this type of industry. Next one, Hyundai Heavy Industries expanded their partnership by over $20 million in contract. Another company, Beckett Collectibles, and also they have a very lucrative contract, Concordance, and several government contracts like U.S. Army Research Laboratory, Department of Homeland Security, U.S. Army Research Laboratory. So definitely these contracts only that were disclosed during the Q3 2022 show a very good potential of Palantir. And I have to say that in a matter of next couple of weeks we will see their earnings report. Let me show you, do we have some data about this date? Yes, probably it will be on November 17th, so in about 1 month we can see these results of Q3, and definitely it might be very lucrative for potential investors. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we have for now two crucial points. First of all, it is this range of support that I marked previously, and we had first bounce from this range right here on October the 5th, and right now we are approaching again to this range. Second range is the range of resistance, and it is double top pattern, and I have to say this pattern is not so bullish, because when we can see this type of price action, definitely we might see lower price targets that might break some previous swing lows, and this means we can land a bit lower. And let me show you some details right here. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, we didn't hit 0.382 at $8.05. And definitely we might hit it, then we might break it to the downside, and we have several ranges that might be the ranges of support. It is 0.5 range at $7.88, and the golden pocket range, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal, and it is the price points, it is the price range in between $7.66 and $7.71. So, if you want to enter your long position, swing trade long position with this asset, just accumulate along these levels. And let me show you on a bigger scale, we have a very good, let me show you, indicator that right now shows the potential of this asset. First of all, as you can see, we have the RSI that is basically moving inside some kind of channel, moving higher inside some kind of channel. And if it is the case, and we have to retest this lower border of this channel, and if this indicator will bounce to the upside, definitely we will see the next leg to the upside. But if this asset breaks with RSI this range of support, definitely we might see the decrease in price that will be quite harsh, I have to say, and probably we might even retest or even break the range of about $7.19. That's why just be cautious and do not enter your position with along these levels with the lump sum. Just accumulate if you want to share the risks and if you want to catch the next leg to the upside. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing